Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy and simple ways to make money without an age restriction, and this can bring you in money without any experience at all. So let's get right into it. The first way you can make money that is very simple and easy is to invest in stocks, or more safe way is mutual funds. So for this to happen, you have to have some sort of money off on the sides that you can use to invest in. And as you can see here, we can look at Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway stock, and this is a great way for you to put some of your money in. You don't have to buy an entire share because that's extremely expensive, but you can just use something like M1 Finance or anything like that just to put your money in there and just watch it grow over time, because eventually all the stock market does is grow over time. Coming in at number 2 is to mow neighbors' grass. Now, this can be a little bit more of a laborious and hard-working thing to do, but it is something that is pretty easy to do, and if you live in a development or a neighborhood, you can just go around and asking your neighbors or elderly people if you could mow their lawn for them. And this flyer here is an example of what you could do to hang around on different poles or something around your neighborhood, just to get some exposure and to get people to see that you are out there mowing lawns and to get more recognition. Coming in at the third place is going on Craigslist and then under the free section, buying or picking up the object and then flipping it and selling it back for money, either back on Craigslist or on Facebook. So this is a unique type of way that there's tons of things out there online that people are giving away for free that you can just pick up and then resell and make some quick money on it. And you can pretty much find this and do this anywhere, and it's just something that you have to be able to drive to do, but it's something that you can also make a decent amount of money doing. So on to number 4, and this way is taking aluminum cans or recycled bottles and collecting those and then turning them into money by taking them to a compound or something like that. So now it's different for each state that you live in, so you have to check with the rules in your state that you reside in. But in many states you can go around and collect these types of cans and bottles of plastic, and you can just pretty much recycle them and then make money for it. So it's something that people used to do a lot more than they do today, but it's still a great way to make money, and it's pretty easy to do. On to the 5th thing is to create a brand of your own, such as YouTube or a business like mowing the lawn like previously, or just something like that that is your own thing that you can create that's a brand. So for the way YouTube works, you can just kind of build up your brand over time, and eventually once you reach the limits that they let you, you can start monetizing your videos and you'll be able to make money from that. But you have to be able to create your own brand and kind of an image with that, and this will take a bit longer than some of the others, but it's a great way to be able to have fun and do something that you're invested in and something that you're passionate about. Continuing the 6th spot on this list is to become a photographer for weddings, family pictures, or sporting events. So this is something that you'll need to buy a camera for, but it is also something that can be really fun to do, and it's in a place where people need a lot to happen. So my family, when we get our pictures, we hire a family friend that does it and takes our pictures, and then we pay them. So it's something that most people need and is very easy and not that hard to do. With the 7th spot on this list comes washing cars for your neighbors. So this is something that you can go around and ask people in your development or neighborhood if they need their car washed. It's something that cars always get dirty, and it's pretty easy to do. So, and while you're doing this, you can also then see if they want their car cleaned inside, and you can go in and use a vacuum cleaner or something like that and clean out their car. You can wipe it down, clean the windows, and it's a pretty easy way to get money, and people always need this to be done because their cars are always getting dirty. Rolling into the 8th spot on this list is to start your own blog. Now this is something that you can pretty much do on the internet. It's not very hard to set up at all, and it's something that you can type about or write about, something that you enjoy doing, one of your passions, and it's something that you can do to get money through advertisements and be able to grow. And this kind of goes along with the earlier thing about growing your own brand. This is a brand that you can grow, and it's just a really neat way to take your writing talents and take it to the next level if you're into that. With the 9th position on this list is becoming a referee. So there's so many youth sporting events out there that you can ref for. I know when I was playing baseball earlier as a child, that there is so many teenage refs that you do the bases or something, or even as you go into college, there's so many intramural sports you can ref for, like basketball, soccer, and just kind of anything like that intramural wise. And it's just something that you can do that if you know the sport, it's not that hard to do. You can be around the sport, so you're not missing out on much, and it's just a really fun way to stay active and a good way to make money. And with our last position at number 10 is to start your own podcast. So this will take a little more time and effort, as you have to be able to write out all that you want to say and something, but it's also something kind of like the blog where you can talk about something that you're invested in, something you're passionate about, and just something that you really enjoy doing. And you can run ads to make money and just be able to grow your own brand pretty much like before. It's just a great way and something that's unique and not many people do, and it's a growing industry that's really on the come up, so you can really get on that. And with that, this wraps up the list of 10 ways to make money as a teenager that are easy and simple. If you like these ideas, make sure you comment. If you have any other ideas that you do or you find effective, leave that in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.